What's up, online shoppers? Who doesn't love a good cup of coffee in the morning? Well, check this out. I just got sent a brand new kind of coffee I've never tried before this is called FDC, Fire Department Coffee. Now this is a veteran-owned, made in the USA company, so if you want to support the red, white, and blue, this is a great place to start. This is handcrafted, small batch coffee, and to top it all off, the beans are roasted in the United States. I've never tried Fire Department coffee before, but when they reached out and asked me if I would do a review, I'm a coffee lover, so that was an easy ask. I'm gonna make myself a pot tomorrow morning and give it a try, but I did wanna highlight all of the cool features about this particular product. So as I said before, Fire Department coffee is veteran-owned, and it's certified by the National Veteran-Owned Business Association. So you can feel good making your coffee knowing that your money is going to support veterans and veteran-owned businesses. This first responder centered business has all kinds of different products, and I'm curious to try all of them. This one here is their medium roast coffee, but they have all kinds of other products. They have this blend of coffee in the individual single serving pods. They have great mugs. They have other great kinds of coffee like espresso, like dark cherry bourbon, vanilla bean bourbon, and Irish whiskey coffee. Now I'm definitely gonna have to work my way through all of those different flavors and report back, but I'm excited to make my first cup of coffee with this FDC medium roast coffee. If you are looking for a way to support veterans and a product that's proudly made in the USA, this FDC coffee is definitely one to explore, and I think it's gonna be a family favorite at my house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.